Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add auto captions on CapCut. So initially, you're going to want to grab your clip and bring it down to the timeline. And then we're going to go up to text right over here, click text, and then we're going to find the auto caption button, click on auto captions, and then you can pick your language and then click create. If you already have captions that you don't want and you want to auto generate new captions, you can just click on clear current captions and then click create. So click, it's going to auto generate the captions in 3, 2, 1. Too soon. Actually, it worked. All right. So now, as you can see here on the bottom, the captions have been generated. And what you can do now is see, if they're right. Usually the auto captions will be completely right. But if you want to edit the captions, you just have to click on one of them, right? Go up to the right, and then you can mess with the font size, the style, the case, the color, etc., right? And then you can also go to the templates. If let's say, the templates in CapCut are absolutely phenomenal. So if I just click on this one, the Pro, all of the captions have been changed. So if you just selected one, now the second caption is the same font, the third caption, and so on, right? So now we can also go up to captions right here and edit them line by line. We can go to animations and then add animations to the captions, the tracking, etc. So that's how you add captions. Let's take a look. Back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add the fire effect on CapCut. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.